guys, I am Anushkamaurya of class 9th, and in this video I am going to tell you some facts or give you knowledge about the world's most mysterious number, that is pi. So without any further, let's get started this video. Do you know that why supercomputers give up calculating the 7 to 6 trillion digits of pi? Why many mathematicians spend their whole life in calculating the digits of pi? When Pi Day is celebrated and why only that day Pi Day is celebrated? What is the relation between the great scientist Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking with Pi Day? So we are going to get the answers of these questions in this video, and this is very helpful for you. What is pi? How do we use pi? Where do we use pi? What's the history of pi? What's the formula of pi? We are going to answer these all questions in this only one video. So watch this video till end and you will get the answers of these mysterious questions and relating to this mysterious number, that is pi. Introduction of pi. Whenever we talk about the world's most mysterious number, then pi comes in every people's mind. What is pi? So to understand this, let's take an example. Like B is the second letter of the English alphabet and pi is the 16th letter of the Greek alphabet. You can see here. History of pi. So for this we have to go in 3500 BC. That is the ancient period, and the people live in the forest. At that time there were not any vehicles to transport goods from one place to another. So the people thought that there should be a thing that should be around, and you can say that's the wheel. So they made the wheel, but it was not a perfect circle, that it should be rolled. So they thought that if we will divide the ratio of circles, circumference, that's the perimeter or boundary of the circle, to its diameter, then we will get what? We will get a perfect circle, and that's the pi. So here you can see the ratio of circles, circumference to its diameter is called pi. And from here the formula came that circumference upon 2r is equals to pi. So here we can get the equation that c upon 2r is equals to pi, where c is equals to 2 pi r. So here the formula came that circumference of circle is equals to 2 pi r. When we will write circumference upon diameter, then we will get what? We will get pi. So I hope that you all have understood the history of pi and its formula. Where do we use pi? We use pi in all over the universe, from building to construction, in the traveling, time travel, space flight. Even NASA uses pi for calculating the transactions of their projects. So pi is everywhere. And why do we use pi? Because without pi we cannot do our task, that is, we cannot make a wheel without the exact calculation of the pi. We cannot understand about the circle more clearly without pi. How do we use pi? As you all know, and you have studied in your earlier classes, that pi is equals to 22 by 7 or 3.14. But this is wrong. Means you have studied wrong. No, it doesn't mean that you have studied wrong in your notebooks. Your teachers have taught wrong. No, it's not wrong. But we cannot find the exact value of pi, because if we will find the value of pi, then it will go to infinity. That's why it is called the mysterious number. So we have approximated the value of pi at, that is 22 by 7, and we are using this value of pi. For more purpose in the space science technology, the value of pi is considered 3.14 and many more. That is equal to 22 by 7. But we have never found the exact value of pi because it is a very large number. So how we will use it in our equations or the questions? Now let's move to the questions that I have asked you in the starting of video. Why supercomputers fail to count the 6 to 7 trillion digits of pi? Because pi, or if we started to find the value of pi, it will go to infinity and there are many digits of pi. So supercomputers have failed. And second question, that is, why do many mathematicians spend their whole life finding the value of pi? Because the same answer will be given here. It is the number that if we want to find the value of pi, so it will go to infinity. And the third question is, when Pi Day is celebrated and why only that day Pi Day is celebrated? So Pi Day is celebrated on 3.14. What do you mean by 3.14? 3 is the month in March, which is third month in March, and 14 is the day. So we can say Pi Day is celebrated on 14th March. And if we will go to next digit, that is 3.14, 1:59 p.m. Pi Day is celebrated every year on the third month, 14 March. And the next question is that what is the relation between the great scientist Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking with Pi Day? And the relation is that on 14th March, Albert Einstein was born, and on 14th March, Stephen Hawking was died. So it was a coincidence that on this 14 March, one great scientist was born, and on this 14 March, one great scientist was died. And on only this day, on 14th March, this mysterious number is celebrated. So it's a coincidence. And the last booster fact of this video is we only uses the approximate value of pi, that is 22 by 7 or 3.14159 and ... So I hope that you all have understood about this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of my new uploaded videos, and meet in next video with another interesting topic. Thanks for watching.